deaf mute challenge.
Am I allowed to do stuff too?
Is he already deaf? So if you can't tell, I'm blind. I will be blind for the duration of this, which is already playing.
Am I allowed to press buttons too?
Skanda, where are you? Hold my hand. This is Skanda. Skanda is my younger brother. Skanda, introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Skanda.
Skanda will be deaf. My dad back there will be mute.
Ba 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 ba.
So today, Skanda, can you get the box down? Am I talking to the wall?
No.
He can't answer.
Today we'll be making brookies, which are cookie brownies. This is what a brookie looks like. This is what a brookie looks like. Skanda will be in charge of this, and Dad will be in charge of getting stuff since I can't navigate. So I will be here the entire time with my loyal viewers.
350.
350 of what?
Oh.
What?
Oh.
How do you hear, Skanda?
Making brookie with these two.
Medium bowl.
Brownies.
Water, oil, egg.
Wait. This is already playing with my brain. I don't really like being blind, but okay. I didn't hear
2
about-
tablespoons water, 1/3 cup oil, and 1 egg.
Is there another bowl? Is this the one? This is the other bowl? This is no bigger than like... Skanda! What am I holding right now?
Brownie mix.
Okay, so
Put
what
it
do I-
in the bowl.
Okay,
Open it.
I'll just put it like this. Hey, I'm not dumb. I can do it. Stop. Actually, I can't do it. This is the most quiet the house has been in such a long time. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh no! This is a really bad idea.
Two tablespoons water.
So, how has everyone's day been? I know one person can't answer. And the other one can't hear me. Did he just miraculously appear over here? What is this? Why did you do that?
1/3 cup.
Okay, so we have what appears to be 1 egg. He screamed 2 tablespoons of water, and this is just brownie mix. So, by the way, Betty Crocker is what we're using. So if you want to do this at home, you can, because it's Betty Crocker. You can find this at your local Kroger or Walmart, wherever you find groceries. By the way, my mom's behind the camera. She has been told to witness the spectacle of us making food while impaired. So this is gonna be interesting.
Is the oil in?
Use your eyes. It's obviously not in. Okay, I think it's in. Is that it? Is that it?
Is it in?
It's in.
Stir.
The mute man does not seem very pleasant.
Is this a pen?
It's just kind of screaming. What is happening?
Spread evenly in pan.
You're gonna need more than that. Whatever. Are you using the spritzer? I have been told this is. What is this?
I just keep it to myself. I don't wanna know if you're paying me. Keep it on the low, 'cause my heart can't take it anymore.
What? I can't tell if you're doing this. Skana! Interpret.
Wait!
Ah! You know you can talk normally, right?
He's eating his churro right now.
Skana! Stop eating! Where's the butter?
Here!
Where is here? I don't have eyes!
Softened butter, it says.
I know that. Where is the butter?
Many more. 2 tablespoons water.
That's not very
Halfway
nice.
to like get warm words.
What water, Skana? There's not even butter in it yet.
Behind you.
One step at a time.
Wrong way.
I have not moved position since the beginning of the video.
Honey, I just want to get you in my mood. You know that I'm getting in the mood with me.
Can you play some song I know?
Heard from me that I got approved.
Can you play a song I know? So I can hear it from a distance?
2 tablespoons water.
Ow!
Good to me. I just have to keep you in my mood.
You get the water. Never mind.
Stir.
Stop!
Spread this in the pan.
Make sure it's oiled enough though. It shouldn't stick.
This should turn into a dough.
Some nice yummy chocolate chip cookie dough.
Turn this to a dough.
It's not a dough yet?
No.
How are you hearing me?
I can see you.
Stop. Okay, wait. Does the Skana? Does the cookie dough have to Skana?
Yeah.
Read the directions. What do you have to do with the brownie mix before?
What?
This is kind of grainy, not gonna lie. Do we need more like butter or something? Cause this feels kind of grainy. Do we?
Dough.
I know.
More water.
No, don't put more water. You don't
said
need.
put more water.
You don't need that much water. Just knead it a little bit more. And if
I
it's
put 1 more tablespoon.
little, like you need to put a quarter of a tablespoon,
That's water.
You put water without asking?
I thought you wanted more water.
I said, do we need more water? I didn't say put more.
It'll be
water.
fine.
Do that ice cream scoop. We can also do that.
9 rounded tablespoonfuls onto brownie batter and 3 rows of 3.
Spoon them.
The deaf man is eating the cookie dough. What? The deaf guy. He's eating the cookie dough.
Say I'm bad enough.
What?
Smoking Halloween enough. What? 3 rounds of 3. 3 rows of 3. You drop it
1,
on
2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
like a tablespoon each.
Ow! Don't worry. I think we're almost done. Hey, let's give some OOTDs. OOTD. OOTD.
What?
Outfit of the day.
Shorts and shirts. Shirts.
What? Shirts?
Shorts.
You're just wearing a shirt?
Shorts.
Where are they from?
My bedroom.
outfit of the day. This sweatshirt that I might have stolen from my mom. This green shirt from a camp I went to at A&M. And then these could have come from a rave. You don't know.
What are you doing?
What is who doing? What is happening? Are you putting it in the oven? Is there an answer? Like what? Are we putting it in the oven or not? Oh, are we done? Can I take this off? What are you doing? Dad!
Put it on!
No, we're done. He talked. What are you doing? Appa! Stop! That's not what you're supposed to do! Also, Mom, I do not think that we will have any to take back because Dad made it weird looking. You may go check what it looks like. It does not look like brown.
Dad, you were making what the fuck did he do?
I don't even.
I thought he was flattening it when I saw it from
To
there.
be very clear, I'm gonna.
No, I saw it.
That's what my dad did, by the way. He's condensed it.
How will it become a brownie?
It's a good question. It won't. So.
I saw him go patting on something. I thought he flattened it.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
Quite amusing.
It will be like cook with
Whether it is
pomade.
amazing or not, it was amusing.